Namaste everyone, this is Dr. Chuhi Kapoor. Today I am live for arthritis juice. Arthritic issue, like lot of people are having arthritis problem, joint pain, muscle pain, nerve pain, all this is a sign for arthritis. How come this arthritis come? Very simple, the uh, immunity less, protein less, vitamins less, all this causes arthritis. Okay, especially calcium. If you have a deficiency of calcium, this is also one sign of arthritis. You can get it. So how to get this vitamins and proteins from, like people say that I eat pulses, I eat nuts, I eat a lot of vitamin stuff and all like that, spinach and all. But do you think that is enough for your supplement for your body? No, it is not. We think that we are eating properly, we are eating everything, but it is not affecting our body. As nowadays all the vegetables and pulses are coming with some chemical, so it is not affecting our body. The age of 30, when you turn 30, you need to take calcium very very properly. If you don't take it, all this joint pain and muscle pain, nerve pain, everything will start it. So what you have to do is, be anybody who is having this knee pain, joint pain, or arthritis. If the doctor has told you it is a arthritis, Ayurvedic has a very good treatment. I have a 3 products, depends on your condition. So if you have a normal joint pain, so this is the juice called arthritis juice. Okay, you can have this morning 30 ml and evening 30 ml for 6 months. Your arthritis issue, pain of joint, everything will get over. Then you need to do little exercise, which we will be telling you. Next, I have a pain relief oil. Like lot of people are having shoulder pain, neck pain, the people who are working continuously on the laptop. So you can have this oil, apply this in the 2-3 times. If it is severe pain, you can apply this regularly 3 times in a day. This also will make you relief from the pain. Now we have come up with the capsule. This is all are Ayurvedic, no chemical in it. These are the capsules, Ayurvedic capsules for same pain relief and cure of arthritis. Now in some cases, arthritis people who are having knee pain continuously, the plates of knee get ungreased. Okay, so with the help of these 3 products, you can get that grease back. So your knee will become flexible. The people who are having less greased knee, the plates, they are not able to get up immediately, they are not able to sit down properly, they will have continuously pain, they can't keep their feet down. So this is the wonderful product for the people who are really suffering with this knee issue. You can connect with me on 97909 and this is all the products you will get it for your arthritis issue. Any issue with arthritis, this is the wonderful product and it is a very reasonable price. So you can connect with me if anybody want. You can DM me also. And this was the live for arthritis juice today, and we'll be coming up tomorrow for Get Fit juice. What is Get Fit juice? Stay tuned for tomorrow. We'll get back to you. Thank you so much for joining, and thank you so much for sharing this live wherever you can. May somebody need this help. So because of your sharing, that person can get the help. So do share this live wherever you can. Thank you so much. Take care. Have a good health. Thank you. Thank you.